Hey guys, it's Yvette and I have a bag opening. And this is for just another button company's Button Lovers Club. And this club, or the subscription, is quarterly. So you won't be getting this every month. You would get it once a quarter. And you get this little tin and it's full of cute little buttons. So if, like me, you love cute little buttons, you might want to check it out. So let's pop it open. I'll show you what's inside. And here we go. Okay. So this is this month, or this quarter, sorry. This quarter is the Pumpkin Parade. And so all of the buttons inside are Halloween / fall / Thanksgiving, you know, that kind of thing. So let's see what we got. And I love how they come in this little tin because, oh my goodness, this is the best way to keep them on the shelf. I love it. Okay, so we have a little black cat. And let me see, maybe we can put this guy in front of it. There you go. Now you can see him. That white is totally reflecting, but that's okay. We've got a little black cat. We have a cute little gray pumpkin. I like saying pumpkin. I hope it's not bothering anybody, but that's just me. I have this little pumpkin. It's orange and white. Little green stem. And then, oh my goodness, I love this one. Look at this little pumpkin. Hello. Let's see. Okay, we have another little pumpkin. It's kind of like that orange one, except this one is black and gray and white plaid. That's super cute. And, oops. Oh, we've got another pumpkin. This one is white with black dots. We're gonna have a lot of pumpkins. Is that focusing right? I think it is. Okay. Now the extra ones that they give you inside, each month, they tend to be like the same sort of patterns. Now here is, I'll try to hold it as best I can, a cute little bat. You can see it there. That is so cute. Oh my goodness, I love that. So you'll have like the same sort of designs every month in different colors. And the colors that they come in are always complementary to whatever is inside for the quarter, like whatever the theme is or whatever. That might be all of the ones that are the resin ones. Yeah, so if you watch me open these on a regular basis, you'll know that there's always like little flowers like that. They always have the clear ones like this. They're translucent. You can see straight through them. Then you'll have the plain ones. These are white. And I also have that. This one is black and it's more flat instead of having like some contour to it. So it's a nice little flat black one. And let's see. We always have this sort of design. A little guy. And we have a bigger one of those with that same design in it. And let's see. There's that. There are, you know, quite a few of like this kind that are in different colors. So that one's like a lighter orange. And there's a black one. And let's see. This one is a darker orange. I don't think I've shown you this one. Yeah, so then this one is like, it's a little flower shape. And that one is orange. And there is the flower shape in black. It's a little harder to see that one because it's shining. And so we have that guy in white. And you get like quite a few of these miscellaneous ones. So they totally fill up the tin. So you'll get a full tin, and usually, I mean, it depends on the size of the resin ones, how many you get. But it's typically between like 5 and 7, something like that. So that's the little tin for Pumpkin Parade. And I'll be back with opening another one of these button lover clubs in about 3 months because they come out quarterly. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. Mwah.